Hello everyone. In this video, let us solve this question together. So we have 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 4 raised to power t is equal to 512. And here, or to solve for the value of t. So t is your number to solve for. To solve this, solution. So we have 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 4 raised to power t equals 512. Now, we are going to express this 512 as an exponent form of 2. In what sense? You say 512, right? 512 is equal to 2 times 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 2. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times 2. Now, if you multiply this, you'll get the value as 512. So, 512 is equal to 2 raised to power 9. So, right here, in replace of 512, we bring in 2 raised to power 9. So, therefore, this then becomes, we have 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 4 raised to power t is equal to 2 raised to power 9 to replace 512. So from here, working with this rule that if you have a raised to power b equals a raised to power c, since the bases are equal, compare the exponent b is equal to c. So right here, since we have the same base, 2 compare the exponent, shows that this then becomes 3 raised to power 4 raised to power t is equal to 9. Now, at this junction, we can write 9 as 3, right? 9 can be written as 3 times 3, which equals 3 squared. So this then becomes 3 raised to power 4 raised to power t is equal to 3 squared. Now, from here, also applying this rule that if you have a raised to power b equals a raised to power c, since you have the same base, compare the exponent, b is equal to c. So same thing over here, we have the same base 3, so simply compare the exponents, shows that what we have is 4 raised to power t is equal to 2. Now, at this junction, we can express 4. 4 can be written as 2 squared, which equals 2 times 2. So, I can express 4 as 2 squared. So, right here, in place of 4, I will bring in 2 squared, then all raised to power t is equal to 2. Now, applying this rule of indices, that if you have a raised to power b, all raised to power c, this equals a raised to power b times c. Applying this rule right here, what we then have is this. We have 2, then power 2 multiplies power t, 2 times t is 2t is equals to 2. Now, at this junction, we can express this 2 as a power of 1, such that we can then apply this rule that if you have a raised to power b equals a raised to power c, since the bases are equal, just compare the exponents, b is equal to c. So right here, we have the same base, just compare the exponent. So 2t is equal to 1. From here, to then solve for the value of t, simply divide both sides by 2 over 2. 2 we divide 2. The value of t is equal to 1 over 2. Now we have gotten the solution of t. But then let us check if the solution of t is the correct solution. So let us check, let's verify this. We got t as 1 over 2. And the question is 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 4 raised to power t is equal to 512, right? So in replace of t in this equation, we'll bring in 1 over 2. So what we then have is this. We have 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 4. Then t is 1 over 2 raised to power 1 over 2 is equal to 512. Now, at this junction, in order for us to simplify this, if you see a question like this, what you first of all do is to start with these first two powers, okay, which is 4 raised to power 1 over 2. So we have 4 raised to power 1 over 2. Now, what is the value of this? Now, in this case, if you have a raised to power 1 over n, this equals the nth root of a. So applying this rule right here, this then becomes the square root of 4, and the square root of 4 is equal to 2. So this means that in place of 4 raised to power 1 over 2, we'll bring in 2. Shows that what we then have is this. We have 2 raised to power 3, then this becomes raised to power 2 will equal 512 question mark. Now with this, the next thing for us to do is to then simplify the next two powers, which is 3 raised to power 2. Now we have 3 raised to power 2, which equals 3 times 3, and this will give us 9. So therefore, in the place of 3 raised to power 2, we'll bring in 9. So this then becomes, we have it as 2 raised to power, this is then 9, will equal 512 question mark. Now from here, 2 raised to power 9 is simply 2 in 9 places. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. Will this equal 512 question mark? Now if we multiply this, 2 times 2 up to 9, what we get as the value of 2 raised to power 9 will equal 512, and this is equal to what? 512. So this means that since they are the same, this means that the value of t that we got as 1 over 2 is the correct solution for the value of t. So with this, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye.